What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Android Auto not working. Firstly, try restarting your phone. Just press and hold the power button, restart, and then wait for your phone to reboot. If not, open your Google Play Store. Search for Android Auto, then tap uninstall and confirm. Once removed, tap update or install again, and once the app is done, open it and try connecting again. If not, try clearing cache and storage. Just open settings, then go to apps and see all apps. Find and tap Android Auto and tap storage and cache. Tap on clear cache, then clear storage. And finally, if nothing works, use a highly quality USB cable. Try a different USB port in your car or avoid damage, loose cables, and even try Bluetooth for wireless connection. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.